Hi student, welcome to Nain Bhadoria Group of Education Institute. Myself Himanshu Tiwari. Today's subject math live class. Exercise 6.2 Line and angles. Last class I discussed a theorem and exercise. Today I discuss exercise 6.2 how to solve. Firstly, parallel line. What parallel line? Parallel line, if in two lines situated in a place never intersect each other and at the distance one distance between equally every place are known as the parallel line. Means if any two lines are given, suppose that this is this line and this are other line. This line is name is L and this line name is M. Okay, clear? One line is L and other line is M. In the mid distance of unique, a constant, means suppose that 2 centimeter this place, 2 centimeter this place, and other fully infinitely same distance of 2 point is called the parallel line. I write down one distance or unit, any distances as clear. Secondly, transversal line. What transversal line? If a straight line intersect two or more lines, a straight line intersect two or more line at distinct point is called the transversal line. Suppose that if any two lines are given, two or more lines, means suppose that one line and second line M line intersects the third line, this line is intersect that, it is the name of N. N is the transversal line. This line is transversal line. Suppose that many this intersect. It's called the, this line is the transversal line. Okay, clear? You know, last class I described, wait, a book I opened. Exercise 6.2. Okay. Firstly, if any two lines intersect, this and this angle name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First आपका corresponding angle, corresponding angles. What corresponding angles? This 1 and 5. Angle 1 and angle of 5 is the corresponding angle. Angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 4 and 8. Angle 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And angle 3 and 7. Angle 3 and 7 are the corresponding angles. This are the corresponding angles. Next, alternate angle, interior angle, interior INTERIOR, interior angle. What interior angle? Interior 4 and 6, alternate interior angle. Angle 4 and angle 6, 4 and 6. Angle 3 and 5, angle 3 and angle 5, 3 and 5. This and this interior, this and this alternate interior angle. Next one up the alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Exterior angles, angle 1 and 7, angle 1 and angle 7, 1 and 7. Okay, and angle 2 and 8, angle 2 and angle 8 is the alternate exterior angle and interior angle. Interior angle. What interior angle? Angle 4 and 5. 4 and 5. 3 and 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. 4 and 5. 3 and 6. Now exercise 6.2. Question number first. You see, given question, if the given figure find the value of x and y and then show AB parallel to CD. If given figure, suppose that this and this line are given, name of AB, A, B, this C and D, transversal line are this given, x, this is given of 50 degree, this x, and this is y, and other angle, this angle is given 130 degree. We know name of this given or not given. Okay, this line angle 50 plus x degree is equal to 180 degree, because linear adjacent pair, linear adjacent angle are, suppose that this is line given, then use the linear pair. Then x is equal to 180 minus 50 degree, then x is equal to 130 degree. The value of x is 130 degree, and y is equal to 130 degree, because vertically opposite angle, opposite angle. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Straight lines AB, you write straight line AB and CD make a alternate interior angle x and y with a transversal, then x is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. X is equal to y is equal to 130 degree. Then AB parallel to CD. Okay, clear? Next question. Next question number 2. Given if a given figure of, okay, second try to itself. Thank you.